Hello everyone, welcome to For the People YouTube channel. In this video, you will know about the important current affairs from June 6th to June 12th. By watching this video, you can know about what happened in India, hot news and much more in the last week. Please share this video with all your friends and family members and help them in knowing what is happening around them. June 6th current affairs. First one. The government of Kerala has launched the Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers. It was being led by Kerala Development and Innovation Strategic Council. It is also known as KDISC. Next one. NTPC Limited has recently become a signatory to the CEO Wagner mandate of the UN Global Compact. Next one. Who is the chairman and managing director of NTPC? Answer is Mr. Gurdeep Singh. Next one. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur launched the UNTAB scheme for the students. The scheme has been launched with the technical support of Department of Information Technology. Next one. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as the new Deputy Chief of Air Staff at Air Headquarters. Air Marshal Ballabha Radhakrishna will succeed Chaudhary in the Western Command in Delhi. Air Marshal R.J. Duckworth will take charge of the Central Air Command in Prayagraj. Next one. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE in collaboration with Microsoft has included coding and data sciences in the school curriculum. Coding will be introduced for class 6 to class 8 students, while data science will be introduced as a new skill subject for class 8 to class 12 students. June 7th current affairs. First one. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on 7th June to draw global attention to the consequences of contaminated food and water to health. Also, this day focuses on the way to reduce the risk of food poisoning. The safety of food is key to achieve sustainable development goals. Next one. Drug Controller General of India, also known as DGCI, has recently given permission to Serum Institute of India to manufacture Sputnik V vaccine in India. Presently, Sputnik V is being manufactured in India by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Next one. Who is the Director General of DGCI? Dr. Venugopal G. Somana is the present Director General of DGCI since July 2019. Next one. The Government of India has released an amount of 894 crores for strengthening of health services of Uttarakhand and operation of important public health services in the state for the current financial year. Next one. The United States has announced a grant of $57 million to 7 other countries to help in efforts to end tuberculosis. The 7 countries are India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Philippines, South Africa, Ukraine, Tajikistan to recover from tuberculosis due to COVID-19 pandemic. Next one. The Financial Action Task Force is an intergovernmental organization on money laundering. It was established in 1989. Its headquarters is located in Paris, the capital of France. FATF has placed Pakistan on the grey list in October 2020 and decided not to allow Pakistan to receive aid from the World Bank and others. June 8th current affairs. First one, World Brain Tumor Day and World Ocean Day are celebrated on June 8th. Several events are organized around the world to educate people about brain tumors. This day spreads awareness about reducing single-use plastics and taking action necessary to bring real change. Next one, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar announced the creation of 80 acres of Oxyvan, a forest, in Karnal district. Oxy Forest was launched on Forest Department land in Mughal Karnal. It includes 10 types of trees. They are Panchavati, Bail, Amla, Ashok, Banyan, Peepal, and some other will be planted in this. Next one, Ranjit Singh Dishle has been appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor from June 2021 to June 2024. He is the first Indian to be awarded the Global Teachers Award in 2020. Will now work on the coach project launched by the World Bank in March 2021. Next one, Indian Foreign Services, also known as IFS, Officer S. Inbaskar has been appointed as the new High Commissioner of the India to Papua New Guinea. Next one, Thomas Vigian of Canada has won the Natural TTL Photography Award of the year 2021. Thomas took a picture of an orangutan named as "The World is Going Upside Down." In this picture, the orangutan is climbing on the top of the tree. Next one, which is the first city in India has electric vehicles only area? Answer is Gujarat, Kevadia. The area surrounding the 182 meters tall Statue of Unity in Kevadia in Gujarat, Narmada district will be converted into an electric vehicles only area in a phased manner. June 9th current affairs. First one, Vice Admiral Rajesh Pendkar has assumed the charge of Director General of Navy Operations on 7th June 2021. He also served in Indian Navy and anti-submarine warfare. He has been awarded Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Vishisht Seva Medal for his distinguished service. Next one, the Reserve Bank of India has approved the appointment of Vishwar Ahuj as the Managing Director and CEO of RBL Bank for a period of 1 year with effect from June 30, 2021. Next one, the Water Burial of Arunachal Pradesh has received the National Award of Best Film on Environment Protection at the 67th National Film Awards 2021. Water Burial is produced by AM Television and it was directed by independent filmmaker Shantanu Sen. Next one, Vian, a remote village in Jammu and Kashmir, Bandipur district, has become the first village in India vaccinated all its adult population against COVID-19. Next one, India has been elected to the United Nations Economic and Social Council. It is also known as ECO-SEO. for a term of 2022 to 2024. Greece, New Zealand, and Denmark were elected from January to December 2022, and Israel from January 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2023. June 10th Current Affairs. First one. The Indian Institute of Sciences, Bangalore, has been ranked the world's top research university in the US World Ranking 2022. However, IISc has been judged the third best institute in India, the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay and Delhi being in the first and second positions respectively. The top three institutes globally are Manchester Institute of Technology and University of Oxford and Stanford University. Next one. The central government has appointed top administrator Anup Chandra Pandey, a retired IAS officer of 1984 batch of Uttar Pradesh cadre, as a new election commissioner. Next one. The Indian Navy will receive 3 of the 24 MH-60 Romeo multi-role helicopters from the US in July 2021. They are designed to operate from aircraft carriers, cruisers, freighters, and destroyers. It will be equipped with multi-mode radar and night vision equipment. June 11th Current Affairs. First one. Indian star cricketer Virendra Sehwag has launched a cricket counseling portal named CRICURU. Cricru is India's first AI-enabled coaching website that provides a personalized learning experience to young players. The website to this is www.cricuru.com. Next one. Who is the chairman of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Currently, M.R. Kumar is serving as the chairman of LIC Corporation of India. Next one. According to the Union Minister, Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO will assist development projects in the Northeast through space technology. Next one. The Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, has developed an early cyclone detecting technique. This will help in early detection of the development or strengthening of tropical cyclones over the North Indian Ocean region. June 12th Current Affairs. First one. World Day Against Child Labour. Theme of this day is Act Now and Child Labour. Next one. Who is the Managing Director of Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation? A.R.S. Shodhi is the Managing Director of Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation of Amul. He was awarded the regional award as Asia Pacific Productivity Champion from Asian Productivity Organization APO. Next one. ICMR approves COVID-5 rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 made by Gujarat-based Miral Diagnostics. Next one. French defense and aerospace conglomerate Thales announced the appointment of Ashish Shah as the Vice President and Director of India with effect from June 1st, 2021. Abbreviations. First one. Laser. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Second one. LIC. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Third one. LTTE. Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam. Fourth one, NABARD, National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. Fifth one, NCW, National Commission of Women. Please support us and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and help us in making more videos. Please share this video with all your friends and family members and help them in knowing what is happening around them and what is happening in India.